Embodied carbon explained. The amount of carbon emitted during the construction of a building is referred to as embodied carbon. Embodied carbon emissions can be produced by the extraction of raw materials, the manufacturing and refinement of materials, transportation, installation, and disposal of old supplies. The carbon dioxide, CO2, emissions associated with materials and construction processes throughout the life cycle of a building or infrastructure are referred to as embodied carbon. It includes any CO2 produced during the manufacturing of building materials, material extraction, transport to manufacturer, manufacturing, the transport of those materials to the job site, and the construction practices used. Embodied carbon is the carbon footprint of a building or infrastructure project before it becomes operational. It also refers to the CO2 emitted while maintaining and eventually demolishing the building, as well as transporting and recycling the waste. Embodied carbon is distinct from operational carbon, which is carbon emitted by energy, heat, lighting, and other sources. Recent data from the World Green Building Council indicates that embodied carbon is becoming a larger portion of a building's overall carbon footprint, thanks to advances in reducing operational carbon.